Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm showing and doing a review on a 2006. This is a Ford 550. It's a big truck. It's got the service body on the back of it, and just finishing up with my test drive. Overall, brakes felt good, drove good, got up to speed good. This does have the 6-liter diesel engine in it. We did take this to Ford and got all the EGR work done to it after we traded it in. I'm going to flip this around. Interior's really clean on it, showing 143,211 miles on it. So here we go. So we'll start with the interior here. Overall, I rate the interior excellent. It does have the CD player, radio. Radio works good. It's got it's got auxiliary switches here, which you can hook different things up to. It does have the factory trailer brake controller. See, it lights up just fine. Heating and air conditioning controls all right here, and does have a 12-volt power socket here and here. Steering control here. It's got the cruise control built into the steering wheel. Again, not a single light on the dash. Runs and drives good for my test drive. Roll up windows. Let's check out the outside here. I'm going to shut it off. Being a 6-liter, it's going to diesel. It's a little noisy, so I don't want to affect the sound too much. But at the front windshield looks good. I didn't see any chips or cracks in it. It is a 2006, and you can tell there's a little fade on the black and stuff here, but I don't see any body damage up front here. Got commercial grade tires up front. Again, the Ford 550. This is a crew cab, so you can literally fit the whole crew in here. Seat belts for 3 back here, and there was also, I'll show you, but there's seat belts for 3 up here as well. So you can fit up to 6 people in this. It does have the Knapheide service body on it. This is a 100-inch from wheel to wheel, 84-inch from back of the cab to the rear axle. That's a big chassis. Surface body seems to be in decent shape. Does have a couple dents in the doors where they probably cut a corner too tight, but the doors seem to all function properly. A little bit of rust showing on the service body, which if you get a service body of this age, you're going to see that, but it is fully functional. Price of this truck, I believe it's priced below $16,000. This truck brand new. You can look at them on our website. They're $70,000 to $90,000. So spray and bed liner here. Got the hitch back here. A little dent in that door, but again, still works. Shows you the quality of these service bodies. Rear tires look good. Plenty of tread on them. This would be a great truck if you're looking to increase your usability. If you have a mobile service type thing in construction, need a truck, tired of working out of your half-ton, whatever it may be, this truck can get the job done. Like I said, it has been to Ford just recently after we traded in for the EGR items to be addressed, and it's ready to go. So great price on this. This is something that would fit your needs as an individual or as a business. Give us a call. We can help you out. We'd love to earn your business on this. Financing is available, and we'd love to have your trade and at least make an offer on it. So thank you very much for the opportunity to earn your business. I hope this video assists you in your purchasing decision.